Hi, have you ever seen or experienced how God answers prayers? I saw how God answers prayers in this story that I found posted in Facebook and also in a blog. Uh, they, however, talk about two different persons, but the story is practically the same. So I think this story must be a myth or it can be true. I'm not really sure. But why am I saying this? Because the Facebook post that I saw talked about Dr. Mike. But the blog post that I saw talked about Dr. Stephen. But the story is exactly the same. So even if the story is a myth, I think it's really worth telling because it tells us how God works in unexpected ways and how God answers our prayers. Okay, so the story starts with Dr. Mike or Dr. Stephen catching a plane to go to a conference and wherein he will be given an award in recognition for his work as a doctor. Uh, in the Facebook post, it says that he is an oncologist, but the blog post did not say what is his specialty, except that he has made very important research, and that's why he is being recognized and will be given an award. Anyway, the story says that after he boarded his plane and the plane already took off, the pilot announced that they will have to make an emergency landing in the nearest airport because something is wrong with their plane. And so they had this emergency landing, and since Dr. Mike or Dr. Stephen wanted to reach the conference. So he immediately went to the counter and asked how he can go to this conference. And the the staff in the counter told him that he can rent a car and maybe drive to the conference site because the next plane will be 10 hours from there on. And so Dr. Mike or Dr. Stephen was forced to get a car and he drove towards his conference site. Unfortunately, while he was about halfway towards the conference, the weather suddenly turned very bad and he could hardly see anything, and he made a wrong turn. He's been driving for several hours already and he was so tired. And then uh, until finally he saw a small house along the side, and so he had to stop because he was already very tired and hungry. And he knocked on the door of this small house. His knock was opened by an old woman, and he asked if he could use her phone. But the woman told him that she does not have a phone in her house, but that he is most welcome to go inside because it was so cold outside. And was so hungry and tired also from driving. So he was forced to accept the invitation of the old woman. He went inside, and the woman told him that he can help himself to the biscuits and something warm on her table. And since Dr. Mike or Dr. Stephen was so hungry, he accepted willingly. And while he was sipping his tea, uh, Dr. Mike or Dr. Stephen saw that the woman was beside a crib and she was praying earnestly. And after finishing praying, she would start praying again. So after a while, Dr. Stephen felt that maybe he can be of help. So after he saw the woman finish a prayer, he approached the woman and asked if there is anything that he can do for her. And he even said, uh, how do you know that God answers your prayer? And the woman told him, well, he has answered all my prayers so far, except for one. The doctor asked her what she has been praying for, or maybe he can help her. And the woman told him that the baby in the crib is her grandson, and that the baby has a very rare disease. And she have been trying to contact people and doctors, and but she learned that the only doctor who can help her is somebody named Dr. Mike or Dr. Stephen. She said that the child has a very rare type of cancer, and that all the doctors she had seen were unable to treat him. She also said that she has been told that there was a doctor who specializes in this type of cancer of her grandson, that there was no way for her to get to this doctor since this doctor lives very far from where she is. So she has been spending her days and nights praying to God for help, asking God to help her find a way to get to Dr. Stephen or Dr. Mike, the doctor who could treat her grandson. Upon hearing her words, tears began to flow from the doctor's cheeks, and he said, God is great. There was a malfunction in the plane I was riding, and then a thunderstorm hit, and I lost my way. And all of this happened because God did not just answer your prayer by helping you find a way to get to Dr. Stephen or Dr. Mike. He brought you Dr. Stephen or Dr. Mike himself. I am Dr. Mike or Dr. Stephen. As tears then rolled down the cheeks of the old woman, and she gave a prayer of thanks. That's how God answers our prayers, in unexpected ways. Do you have a similar story? If you have, please share with us by writing it in the comments below. Thank you very much. So, in this story, the doctor was also given a chance to forget about material goods and to help people, especially the unfortunate ones who have nothing else but prayer, right? If you like more stories like this, then please consider subscribing to our channel. And please also click like and share this with your friends so that more people will know how God answers our prayers. Okay? Thank you for staying with me. God loves you. I love you. God bless you. I'll see you soon. Bye.